Hi, I'm Jahla, founder of wellness fashion brand Ahe Wellness. Taking time for self-care is non-negotiable. Sleep is especially a key factor in overall wellness. But let's be real, getting 9 hours of sleep is nearly impossible. That's why I love St. Jane's new Sacred Sleep Overnight Repair. Its luxurious, highly effective formula delivers insane results for my skin. I've just cleansed my skin to prep it for all the goodness in Sacred Sleep Overnight Repair. I apply it over my entire face and neck. My skin just soaks up this deeply enriching cream. The 0.5% retinol to activate my cell turnover fights signs of aging. The fine line complex blurs the look of my wrinkles and appears to plump my skin. The gorgeous bouquet luxury active flowers like violet, lavender, and orchid work together to soothe and deeply hydrate my skin. The rich formula makes my nighttime skincare routine easy and super effective. Sacred Sleep has worked its magic overnight. My skin is rejuvenated and fresh, like I slept 9 hours.